Well guys, so Slow Panda passenger side headlight went out last night, and the ballast went out, so I had to get a new ballast. So I got a new ballast, I got a new bulb, tested the bulb was actually okay, but I went ahead and got different headlights for it. I actually got some Saber LEDs from DDM Tuning, and I'm gonna put these in instead of putting a new ballast in. I bought one just in case. I do like HIDs because the spread is a lot more wider than a linear spread with the LEDs, and that's why I use HIDs more than I use LEDs. But I'm gonna put that in here today, and remember to subscribe. And you're watching Slow Panda Garage, I want to say. Sabers. It's gonna be an LED. That's gonna go in inside. So they come with their own resistors and brain basically, and these plug into the headlight directly, and then they need the fans on the back to breathe. And instead of having a ballast like this and this, you would just have this. So comparing the two, all of this to make a headlight and just that to make a headlight, that's going to go into here. And what you got to do is stick your hand down here, pop the cover off, this will come right out, and then you're going to stick your hand right into there and plug it in. It's a tight squeeze, but hey, you can do it. So I'm figuring out, I don't think these, the shape of these will fit into the Fiat. I didn't do any research, I just bought them and I was hoping they would fit, and they go in just like that in a twist, but they're not fitting, so I might have to use the HID again. So here we go. Well, I actually got it in. You can see it down in there. I got it in and it's at an angle. Hope the beam is okay, but we'll see. It's in, so we'll see what happens. And that's not too bad, actually. I won't know till nighttime, but it works. It is a lot more white, and this ballast is humming, so I might have to change this one out too. But you can see the color difference between the two. All right, so I'm gonna give you a behind the scenes view of the light, and this is what it looks like in the cabin. Headlights on. That's actually pretty good. It's not too bad. Like, the beam is all right. It's not too high. It's nice white light. Doesn't hum. So yeah, I think I can deal with this. So yeah, so I guess I'm gonna go with these LEDs for a while and see what's up. So we'll try this first, and then we'll give that a try for a couple weeks. Well guys, that wraps it up for my LED installation. Again, I got my lights at DDM Tuning, so if you're looking for a set, feel free to grab some over at DDM Tuning. This again is Slow Panda. I will be doing a catalytic converter installation because I have to go into smog check again, so stay tuned for that next video. Remember to hit the like and subscribe if you like any of my videos, and if you have any comments, please comment below. Again, thank you for watching Slow Panda, and thank you for watching me, Matt Ramos. Have a good night.